what's good, guys? We're back with another video here today. In today's video, we're just going to go into, or finish, I should say, the website that the MeTime website that I've been working on for the past couple of days now. But we're just having a bit of a stuck moment because of the admin dashboard. So in today's video, we're just going to like try to figure out that aspect of it. And yeah, make sure you all like the video, share, subscribe, and yeah, I believe let's get into it. There's really much to do. Hopefully we can just get this done, because I really need to get this done because it's super annoying. So yeah, and also, man, I won't lie to you all, bro. If you're living in Trinidad right now, bro, the place is ridiculously hot, man. I don't know what's going on, bro, but man, the place is stupidly hot, bro. So yeah, that is how to say that, man, bro. It is ridiculously hot, man, for some reason. So yeah, but all right. So let's go into what we left off last time. So let me just switch the screen. So pretty much basically what it was telling me is that, so they're saying that now we see the key issue. So they're saying that the server is correctly returning the 200, okay, but the data array is empty. That explains why your product page shows no products found. This means the problem is not your front end code or authentication. The server simply doesn't have any products in the database. So here's how to fix it. So it's saying that check your products collection in MongoDB. Run this in your Mongo shell on MongoDB. Thing is graphical user interface, right? So what I have to do is I'll have to run this code. But I said before, I don't really. I may have to do this offline, because I do think that there is going to be sensitive data in this. So what I'll do is I'll just move this to a different screen and work on it from there while leaving my other code, because I said after, like, when it comes to database, where hence the name data, like data is always something very sensitive, so you can't really show too much of that. So what I'll do first is copy that, right? Because I can't really show my database like that because of sensitive data, right? But listen, I run your Mongo shell on, or run this in your Mongo shell, Mongo shell. What do you like? What the hell is that though? It's saying to run this in Mongo shell, which I'm very confused on. Yeah, because that I'm not seeing anything to like run something like that. So what I may have to do is ask it, um so ask it, okay, how can I run this code? It's, oh, my bad, wrong screenshot, my bad. I was for some homework that I have to do because school started back. Okay, so how can I run this code? Okay, how can I run this code? What's the word I'm looking? But what are the words I'm looking for here? What are the words? Okay, how can I run this code if I am using the web version of MongoDB 2025? You're giving feedback on a new version of ChatGPT, which response you would prefer. But this new response, bro. I've been seeing this since like 2023, bro. What do you mean no response, bro? Like, what? Option one, use Mongo's auto web. You log into, go to click on browser collection on the left, select. Okay, so let me just drag this here. So it's saying now log into Mongo's database already, and now go to your cluster. I'm ready in the cluster. Click on browse collection. I'm ready in browse collection. On the left, select your database, the one your app connects to, like your data. Well, pretty much in database access, and I don't use database access. All right, then it's saying that expand it and look for the products. Click it, you will see all product main web. It is empty, you see no documents. You can insert new one by clicking insert document and post JSON. Okay. Option 2, use Mongo database comments, download Mongo. Let's see what it gives you. Sorry, that is me being curious. Yeah, I've seen this before, but never really worked into it. So it looks like it's pretty interesting. Go into your Mongo database, auto from cluster, using database connection, option to download Mongo. Okay, so now select option 1 really is the better one. Say it's when you click it, you see all products. Yeah, in your web explorer. If it's empty, you see no documents. Yes, it is empty. You see if I go to users. There's nothing. I'm not seeing it. I'm not seeing no data in it. So okay. So I'll be like, okay, so I will go with option 1, and yes, I do not see any, I just say any products in that collection, or I should say, or document. Um, it's saying that, okay, so what should be the code I should enter into MongoDB to get my products to display? Also, here are some, well, I don't understand where it means, when it means the image overlay though. I say that also, you say that where should the image URL come from? Should it be from online or from my from my project? Hopefully it understands what I'm trying to say here. So perfect. Now we know your admin aspect, no products, your API is working fine, but your products collection is empty. What code to enter in MongoDB? In our last browser collection, product insert document pass. You say insert documents. Okay, I see it. Hit insert and it will create your first product. When you use image URL come from you have online URL is easy. On your project, if you have one local image, you need to store the image backend project. then your image URL could be something like quick start recommend now. When I should say that, okay, well, I did give you all my image, and again, looks like it forgot again. So yes, okay, I did give you my image URL in my code batch that I sent you, and I did say not to use examples from outside, only use examples based only from my product, from my project. Let's see if it's where I see this line. In your when should your image URL point to? Since your market server already has this means anything inside your servers. So if you drop any image, it will be accessible at which matches perfectly with image URL in your product summary. So it's saying that, okay, so let's copy this then. Okay, what? Insert document. What the hell? Why is it not allowing me to insert data though? I'm so confused, man. Why is it not? Is it not allowing me to? What the hell, bro? Why is it being so weird? Like, why is it like I'm not able to insert data into it though? Hold on, let me see something real quick. Let me try a different document. Insert. Yeah, I'm not getting the option to insert anything into it though, which as that doesn't make sense. See in your yeah, but I say in insert document space something like this into your field names, name, price, stock, image URL. Well, I don't have stock there, anything about it, but I mean, who knows? I'll be like, well, I should say like, okay, well, when I try to, or should say that, okay, when I click on insert insert document, this is what pops up on my screen. For some reason, I don't think it's working. It's saying now I don't need to what? Bro, what? No, what is this project? Bro, what? Bro, this thing is so confusing, bro. What? Because, bro, I'm trying to insert it, but it's literally not inserting. So, like, I'm confused on, like, what is really going on here. They say all you need to do is add your product field manually under it. For example, if you add Atlas insert document, in your Atlas insert document, when you click the view, JSON toggle, then replace everything with this. What? Bro, this thing is terrible at guiding you, man. I swear, man. This thing is terrible at guiding you, bro. Because, bro, I am not seeing anything related to that, bro. Like, honestly, man. I have no idea what this thing is talking about, bro. Because I'm only allowed 2 fields, bro. So it's like it say what? Then you click on the view. Because I am on the view part of it. I don't because I'm bro, what? Bro, insert your permitted documents contain errors. What? Okay, let me see something real quick. Let me try this one more time, man. Let me try this one more time. Because I think there's something wrong with this. Or the guidance that ChatGPT is trying to give. But let's see something real quick. npm run dev. But let me check one more thing as well too before I even do that. They say now just to import that when your app runs it will serve. They say not that what it's supposed to be. Interesting. Let's go to that. Then npm start. Let's go to this. But this thing, bro. Oh shit, I may have to log in. Alright, damn it, hold on, give me 1 second. Let's go to that. And let's get a password. Where's the password? There it is. And let's copy this password. Then let's go back to this. And let's paste this. Log in. Go to the admin dashboard. Oh my gosh, it actually worked. Wow. Oh my gosh, it actually worked. Yo, it actually freaking worked. That's crazy, son. Wow, it actually freaking worked. Oh, it shoots. Oh, shoot, I should too much of that, but yeah, it actually works now. Oh wait, you know what? There was one thing. Hold on, let me just make this slightly a bit bigger. Supposed to make this a slightly bit bigger, but yeah, it works now. Wow, bro, it's like bro, that interface was so confusing, bro. But yeah, it works now, which is good. That's a W. That is a big W. All right, that's good. Okay, okay. So I see the products now in my admin dashboard. But I won't lie, man. I could add some more styling to this, bro. I don't really like how the edit and delete function is in this, but uh, who knows, man. I may come back to this project, and I mean, to be fair, it's just a starter project, and it seems like if anybody obviously wants to, yeah, I can always improve it and from there, but I'll just keep it like that for now. Um, yeah, cause as long as it's working, it's good. But what I do now, so remember what I'm telling you all about is not just about ordering the product, right? So what I want to do is so yeah, basically, so let me pull up where, well, I guess I can log out now, right? Yeah. So I don't need this database anymore, so I can close that down now. All right. So where is it? Come back to here, then Adidas, right? So basically, I wanted to do something like this. So what I'm gonna tell ChatGPT is, hey, wait, what? Why is done HTML? That's crazy, yo, yo. Um, okay, so probably now is it's working now, whatever. But now there is another fix I would like to add. So what I'm gonna tell you is that, so look at this website here, and as you and what I want to take, or what I want, or what let's say that, and what is to add a review and what the client wants to add is a review that a review for customers to send comments on a product. Also, the customers can choose different different colors for their gifts. Also, um, what else I wanted to add? Um, and which is also a description of the product for customers. Also, when the customer can choose different colors, it updates in real time for the customer. But honestly, that and also ensure that they also ensure that the this will also ensure that what preferences the customer wants saves in the database. I guess that and so that also ensures that their customization also saves in their carts. Customization is in their cart. All right, let's see. Let's see. This is a big thing I wanted to add. Our brain is done step by step, so it stays online with your existing project structure. Update, add fields into the description, column review, update product route, and that front end changes. Create a product that features the product with the users color that. Then card update your card now save is selected so that custom checks the user customer sees the cards can choose colors updates in you camera reviews store in database like the customization color is saved in card and database. You want me to update your order scheme to customers so the customer choosing color can save when they check out. Yes, please. Let's update the owner scheme so that when customers of their selected product customization processes are saved permanently. When you add the cart in we already see the selected color. Now every order will store the exact product color and later if you want size and engraving customer notes. This way admin sees what kind of customization was ordered. Customers can view their past orders with correct options. Do you want me to also update your cart scheme if you're storing cards server side or just keep it local storage on the front end? Okay, so now let's update everything. And well, also just to confirm to will I not have to change the current images. Okay, let's see. Because even though I put this in, I don't think it still understands exactly what you have to do, but we'll see. So let me just move this here to the side and I'll close on some things a bit. Add field subscription color in models product.jx. We're saying con review. So let me just copy this, which I think I may have to close on this. Let me close on this. I don't have to copy the first one. Let me copy the second one. Copy this. All right, so let's copy that. And let's copy this. Copy this better. Wait, why is it giving problems? So it's supposed to be description, then put this through here, type string. Okay. 1 second. So let me copy this. Okay, so this works. Let me copy this. I think here's a problem. No, I guess not. And then let me copy this then. Wait, let me put the comma here. Okay, nice, it works. All right. Then now they're saying that up in your raw product add in endpoint for. Wait, what's the update product routes? Where's product routes? There it is. All right. So it's saying that where is the update? Okay, let me see. So I have 42 lines of code. Okay, I'm guessing it did update because 42 lines of code. Then front end change React, create a product, create a products, details as a feature, and not put a review on that. So let me go back to product details. So I did have one which has 54 lines of code. Now this one has 103 lines of code. And it's saying that in order.jx, models order.jx, where is that? That's 63 lines of code. So it's saying that, so if I go to order item scheme, where is it? Because this is models right here, that is models. So it's saying cons order items. I think it's giving me the wrong code again. Or am I tweaking? Okay, nah, I'm tweaking. Never mind. I'm tweaking. Never mind. Never mind. All right. Let's do this. Right. When a customer basis on make sure select gets passed along. So it's saying example routes order .jx capture customization. So it's saying to go to your routes in order.jx, and it's saying in selected color where is image URL. You say route.post verify try say const order. We're saying equals await user order placed. I mean, I won't lie, man. It looks like it's changing up some of my logic though. You already saved, so I know, so it's when sending the card back and to make sure that it isn't. Okay, I think I need to tell it because it looks like it's kind of changing up some of the logic though. She's saying const place order. Well, 1 second. Const place. Yeah, see, you know what I'll do is that yeah. So I would tell it is that. So let me bring it back here and let me put this across here. It look like it's changing up some of my logic for some weird and apparent reason. So let's go to, let's say that, okay, can you please provide the final codes for all these files while leaving the existing logic of the code intact? All right, so let's go to that. The product.jx. And let's go to product.js. Copy this. Then let's go to product.details. Product detail.jxx. Then let's go to order.jx. And then let's go to order.jx. Right. Yeah, because looks like it's giving me some very weird code. So I need to make sure that like get it in check. You know? They should provide the final codes here. Let's wait a bit, man. Let's see. Let's wait a bit because we have to wait a very long while. Yeah, you have to wait for all this. Well, I already finished with two of them at least. So it's about to be on its third one. They're just finishing up this file as well, which is look like it's the product details. Yep, I was correct. They just finishing the product details. Then it has the two order.js's, two order.js, so has the go through as well. So yeah, let's finish with that one as well, and let's finish with that one as well. Let's say model change requires a server restart. After replacing modify restart node document. Example, insert you already added products, update them to include color. Okay. Alright, so let's go all the way up. So going all the way up. Alright, let's go. The same product.jx is supposed to have 42 lines. Okay, now it has 50. But now let me kind of get switch it back here, then switch it back here. Put this here and then put this here. So product.js, that product there is good. Then let's move to the other one. Just dealing with the routes. So it had 41 lines of code. Now it has 68 lines of code. Then product.details. This had 54 lines of code. Now it has 211 lines of code. Then let's move on to order.jx. This had 72 lines of code. I see it messed it up. Hold on. I'm not seeing anything change though. This presumes existing customer each item to include selected color. You see something? See. Okay, it did add it. Okay, never mind. It did add it. Alright, cool. Fine. So now let's go to order.jx. It had 38 lines of code. Now it has 42 lines of code. Alright, so let's open up this now. npm run dev. Okay, so the server didn't break, which is nice. Then let's open up the client dashboard now. Let's go to npm start. Sorry, why say client? I meant to say open up the open up open up the front end server now, or the front end. Okay. But you see, I know. Okay, I know that would happen. Would have happened. So okay, so I did not get to. When can I put for this? See, I know that it would have done that because it didn't. Yeah, man. Bro, you really have to be super detailed with this, bro. It's annoying, man. But okay. Okay, so I did not um see the updates you applied, and that is, well, let me check to the shop. Yeah, you see, I knew that, yeah. Yeah, okay, so I did not see the updates that you applied. It's because there is only a option to add a item to the cart, right? There is not a way to click on the product and do the customizations. Now I can't spell it, damn it, man. Customizations. I think I spelled that wrong, so okay, now I'm good. And click on the product and do the customizations. And I did give you all my codes to look at my home.jxx file and shop.jxx file. Also, would I have to replace the images that I currently have because they are just regular photos that the client or the consumer or the customer would not get to see the real time updates of the color for the product. All right, let's go now up and into that. Let's see what it says. Thanks for clarifying. I see the gap now. Right now, your home shop there shows a product card, add to cart button. There's no customer. Click into a product detail page, see customization options, color, watch real time of this one, then add the current products to the cart. Product image handler. If your current images are just plain photos, then no customer won't see the product updates when they pick a color. To enable real-time with each color needs either a separate image per color storing data resolution, or about just change the product card board highlight when a color is not as realistic. Example, in your product scheme, right now they just loop through products. We'll add a link to, so when someone clicks on a product card, it goes to product details. Do the same for home.jxx product detail update customer. We'll extend the one you give me so that customers see a color. Example updates. So the answer sounds yes, if you truly want to see it, you need to multiple images per color stored among. If you keep your single images, then customers will only see a text-based color section, not realistic like Adidas. You need two multiple images, one per color stored in. Would you like me to now rewrite your home image and shop fully with the links to provide while keeping the update product details with the final code pass review system? That way you can paste them back in as that. Yes, please. So I'm guessing, yeah, as it really mentioned to me, it looks like I have to. Okay then. Because where can I find like plain colors of this, or should I, or does it really matter? Okay, let me just put this to the side here real quick. Let's go to home.jxx, the shop, and then home. That's 65 lines of code. See, it did not update it, man. Bruh. Gosh damn it, man. Alright. Okay, you did not update my entire code of my entire files with the code. Here is the files. Please update all my codes, leaving the logic as it is and ensuring that all the codes are functional. Right. Gosh damn it, man, bro. This thing is so stupid sometimes, man. I swear, bro. Well, I shouldn't say stupid, man. Just not, bro. I wish, man. I wish it could just get it, bro. You know what I mean? Like, damn it, man. I like just get it, bro. I hate how I have to keep explaining to this thing over and over and over, bro. But as I said before, it does really help you subconsciously to like be better at explaining yourself, though. So as I said, like as annoying as it is, bro, it really is good because it helps you to like be it helps you to be as detailed as possible in every, well, that's for me. And you know, like if I'm being honest, for me, like ChatGPT has genuinely helped me to be better at critical thinking and be better at explaining my thoughts to someone. Because as I said, it's like if I really want to get the best results from ChatGPT, I mean, I mean, you have to be as detailed as possible, right? So yeah, that's a big learning lesson that I got from ChatGPT. It's annoying. Don't get me wrong, it's annoying, but damn it, man, like it really does help you to think to think more. You know. All right, let's see. So it did update the whole. Copy this. Let's make sure that pressing at 80 lines of code now. And now they say hit him with the limits. Then shopping at 65 lines of code. You see again, man. Come on, man. Bruh. Bro. It's not freaking bruh. Hold on. And I had 211 lines of code. Now 216 lines of code. See? I know that it broke. You see, bro? Man, this dumb. Hold on 1 second. Let me bring it back up for you all. And let's go to npm start. Hold on, let me bring it back up for you all real quick here. Bro, why is thing lagging, man? Stop lagging, bro. Yeah, bro, it didn't, bro. It literally didn't change anything, bro. Yeah, see, and it messed it up. Oh my gosh, man. So really had to explain this thing, marked it over, bro. Okay, let's try this one more time. Hold on. Because bro, it says that now it has 80 lines of code, but it just shows. Hold on 1 second, man. npm start. Yeah, you see, like there isn't really. Oh, so just give us like a link then. So it's okay, so it just gives like a link to click on it. They say product not found. Okay. Let me copy this. Well, let me check. Okay, everything is good too. Okay, so what I'm going to do, okay, so when I click on the, or when I click on one any of the products on the home page, I get carried to another page, but it says that there is no products. Here is the error in the console when I go to that page that says no products. Right, and then also you did not complete the shop.jxx file because the code, I say that the latest code that you gave is shorter than my previous code, meaning you took out logic from my code. Also, when I click on the shop.jx page in my browser, I am getting this error. And I am only getting this error now because of the new code gave my old code didn't have this problem. All right. Yeah, man, bro, you gotta be so super detailed with it. It's insane, man. Let me copy this now. And let's copy this one. Let's see what's now I understand exactly what's going on. Let's break it down. It's said that it understands quote unquote, but let's see. A request to your backend failed. 5,000 API products, right? That means your Express API is showing an error when it tries to fetch a product by ID in your updated home Nigerian shopping coded as 123 strings. But among this object solution, your frontend should fetch real IDs from frontend using hardcore place IDs. Why shortage products error happens? Cannot read properties or undefined. Happens because your product expects a product price number in your previous code shop provided full product details with price. My replace it could fetch products from backend if the response is undefined or empty array. Fix RDC fallback in product.txx. Fixing home shop you until you have a real product in Mongoose. Don't hard code ID, use real or mock the actual object string. Example. This ensures product find by ID works. Updating shop not is a correct version that keeps your existing logic. Uses the test product as fallback and previous crashes. Anywhere you do change to this prevents runtime crash if price is undefined. Your front-end placeholder products need okay. I will make your home page fully functional with the product details page working correctly. Okay, so let's see. So what it's saying, where you do, then okay. So what I'm going to tell it to do, because damn what it's not like, how can I describe this, man? Um, what I really want to do here, man. Okay, now I'll tell it, okay, so can you now update all my files with the code you just presented? Ensure that all my files existing logic is intact and the code is functional, and yes, can you update my MongoDB with real ID or a real ID for my products and ensure that it will work with my front end as well. Front end, and back end. Front end and back end as well. All right, let's see. We can fix everything systematically. I will provide updated full function version of your key front end files home while keeping all existing logic intact plus instructions. products into with proper ID and color images so your backend API and front end will work seamlessly. You will insert products into your product collection. Among each product will have name, price images, open Mongoose address on your local, then in products collection, insert documents like this. Make sure the image path matches the image you stored in your public folder to front end so that app can display them. Update home.jxx. Pass products from a parent component like app by fetching. Update shop.jxx. Update support customly and wherever. Okay, so all right, let's get this done then. So, well, I can't show the mongoose part of it, of course. So, I need to open back up my mongoose. Give me 1 second. Mongo. Yeah, apparently it logged me out. Second. Where it is. So what I'll just do this final thing here, and then well I'll close it down from there. Let me find my mongoose. Bro, where I have so many tabs open, it's insane, bro. Um, Damn, why it logged me out though? That's crazy, bro. All right, let's go to products. I guess let's copy this, I guess. Okay, now let me delete these previous. Insert it. Let's insert. All right, so I insert these two here. Right, and then now update home.jxx. Close this. We close this, close this. Then let me drag this across here. Then go to home.jxx and home.jx and 80 lines of code. See again, bro. This is what bro. Bro, this thing better work, man. It keeps like not provide any full code, man. I went from okay, let's see this if this gonna work, man. Product details 215 and drop down to 196. Alright, this thing better work, man. npm run dev, then npm start. Yeah, see, bro, it literally changed the logic though. Like, you see what I mean? Like, bro, it literally, bro. Oh my gosh, man, bro. Wait, one second. Let me see. Did it actually? All right. Let me try to fix this because again, man, this is, bro. Please, please review the code that you wrote because the code that you provided is causing a lot of errors. For example, the codes are shorter. I I do not see the images. You you changed the you I said that you changed or said that you removed the tiling from the pages. What else? What else can I say about that it did? Uh, um, the products I no longer see the products in my home and shop page. Please review the code that you wrote and remember the requirements that I asked for. Yeah, man, bro. It really struggles with logic, man. You see, and it spits out the code already too, like, bro, it's, bro. I see exactly what went wrong. The previous updates were too stripped down, and I removed a lot of your technology, side images, and explain why products disappear. We need to do this carefully without removing your existing structure of sign without keep all your the image pathway must match the assets you already have in your product folder. Ownership with original structure plus mongoose fallback. Shop with original structure plus mongoose fallback. I can update the under the and let's update this now. Let's see if it really did it. Let's go to insert. Product. product. Let's see if it copy this. Let's move this here. Close this down, close this down, close this down. Home.jxx. So that's 50 lines of code. Now that's 60 lines of code. Top.jxx. Now 49 lines of code. Now that's 53 lines of code. I can update your product to handle. Yes, please. And please leave the existing logic intact and all and ensure all codes are functional. Let's see if that works. Alright, so it produced the code now finally. So what I'm going to do, see bro, it's not bro. Yeah, I think it's man, here's a complete safe update. Let's go with this one. Let's see. npm run dev npm start. Okay, so the logic is back, which is good. But again, we're going back to the same problem. Gosh damn it, ChatGPT. Oh my gosh, bro. Are you so dumb, man? Why are you so dumb? Okay, so I do not get the errors anymore. But again, this is what I am trying to tell you is that you need to create a pathway where the customer can click on the product and add and be able to add a review, see the description, see a description of the product and change the color. Okay, so this now it wants a product card as well too. All right, hold on. Oh my gosh, ChatGPT, man, why are you so annoying sometimes, man? So okay, here is my here's my files. Please update them and ensure that my logic is intact and all the codes are functional. Home.jxx shop.jxx product details.jxx and product card.jxx. All right, let's wait for this response, man. This is gonna be a long one. Yeah, see how it's unlogging already. Yeah, me have to maybe do this over. I don't think it's still no, it maybe did add it. We'll see. No, it didn't. That's a product. Okay, it's a product card. Okay, never mind. The product details. Okay, let's update these files now. So home.jxx. So I had 59 lines of code. I have 57 lines of code. Hub.jxx. I had 52 lines of code. I have 47 lines of code. I man, I won't lie that this really is looking good, man. Yeah, this is really looking good because bro, it is terrible at coding, bro. I swear, man. Wow. Bro, I don't get how how I gave you all the data that you need, bro, and you're still struggling, man. That's insane, bro. Like I don't get what is your issue, man. Like bro, you can wish for all the data that you have, like I gave you it, man. You see what I mean? Yeah, bruh. Alright, you know what, bro? We're finna have to come back to this tomorrow, man. Um, yeah, bro. ChatGPT, man, this is a L for you today, bro. Come on, bro. Like I don't get why like what is giving you like why are you getting problems to load these images, bro? It seems like bro, you're removing the images like I don't get why. Like how do you want me to add images if you're removing them? Like that doesn't make sense, bro. Like hey, hey ChatGPT, please for the love look at the code before typing it. You are removing the images from the home page. Come on. Please think before responding. Then this is the correct one. Let's see. It did add them, but still no products here. All right, we'll have to fix this tomorrow, man. It's the it's logic is struggling today, so I'll fix this tomorrow. All right, well, hopefully this was an enjoyable one for you all. I don't know, man. ChatGPT, man, you'll be down bad sometimes, bro. Like I don't be getting it, bro. But it is what it is. But yeah, man. Make sure you like the video, share, subscribe on your way out, and yeah, I'll catch you all back in another video, man. Peace.